Hey folks, this is Fat Daddy from Fat Daddy's Finest Adventures. Today we're going to take a little garden tour. We're going to pick some tomatoes. I already picked some cucumbers. Check on the corn and probably dig some potatoes, I guess. Want to bring you along with me. Let you know about urban gardening. I'm not a homesteader, I only have a garden, but it's still a lot of fun. Brings me a lot of joy. See you soon. Alright folks, let's see what we got in the garden today. Looks like some Romas are ready. Some Paul Robsons are ready. San Marzianos are still green. Got a little bit of blossom end rot going on. Got my potatoes right there. We're getting ready to dig those here in a little bit. Some cukes that have been producing crazy like, and varieties of volunteers and some more potatoes. I got me some Silver Queen corn here. Some of it's trying to go and some of it's trying, so I'm not sure about all that. I've never gotten to harvest a corn. This is my second try. But I've got some black krills. I've got some beefsteaks and some cherry 100s. Oh, and that corn's Silver Queen, if I didn't say that. A little bit of rosemary, trying hard, pretty thick. But I think we got some Goliaths in there somewhere, down there buried. They didn't, yet to be seen. You can see the blossom and rod over there on that San Marziano. But yeah, we're going to pick a few tomatoes here, looks like. Wish I had enough to can, but probably just make some refrigerator puree or something like that. Alright, let me get after this. Alright folks, we're wound up now. We're getting ready. We're gonna go after some potatoes here. Talk to you in a minute. Whew. Wow, all I can say is it's a whole lot more than I thought I was gonna get, and there's some really nice ones in there, a few green ones, but jeezy greasy, that's just one. The bag that had those potatoes only gave me 5 potatoes, and there's easily those 5 in that collection, so that's just awesome. I'm really happy. All right, Fat Daddy out.